I got most of it, didn't I? Sheets. And I said I take a trash bag, put it right here. Notice one side up. That'd be good. Yeah. What's that metal thing right there? That's the beam. Really? Yeah. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be sitting on. Wow. You're kidding. No. Give me a trash bag first, please. I thought you said... Trash bag first. I'm going to put trash bag down first. Oh, okay. Oh, good idea. I got you. I got you. We're going to need more than that, ain't we? Staple, Paul, with your knee? Yeah, no. I love it. Need a clamp. I can probably hold it over. I can hold it over. Yep. That'll do it. Yep. I can put a few down through. That's what I'll do. Straighten up, floor choice. Right. That's all I can get, buddy. Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's all it's gonna go. Well, just pull it right out the floor, probably. Gotta put a couple more screws in it. Yeah, I put some over there. Give me a few more in my hand, will you? I used all them. Need one more, but they need to get through the 6 blocks. That'll work 10 times better. Frame it all in nice and tight under that wall. Oh, that way no seams, nothing shows. Hides everything. Hides everything. Oh yeah, so nice, like re-needy on ice. Cut out the vent. My God. Putting a handle on it. We want to pull it up to here, so slide it around the toilet flange is what we're looking for here. Hope I cut out enough. I think I can take some more of that out, Paul. You go right there for him. Yeah, he might need it. That's good. You show him how we're doing it. That's perfect around that flange. Perfect. I like it, Paul. That is perfect. Whew. Nice. Notching. That's all you can do. That's the case. You gotta use some. Huh? You gotta use some. Just go that way. Yeah, solid framing on all your doorways. Always. Framing all the way around. No. That will not matter. That's beautiful if you ask me.